Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang page yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kani gadega jelang ka equip 2018 kabala pelong da ka 100-fold academy. Ka jelang ban pasutho yaki Khynnah haki Jingpule ba per bat ru kumno ban Jied ya ka kam ka ban ya hab bat ka Jingpule jongki bat ka kam ka ba kenso penat ban Trei. Ya kani ka jelang hakani ka nomba shalong la pelong hnen kasngi ka arpho trek unai lur hajar khat phra hamadan malki hakabala wani sementar ki Khynnah jongki arpsan tli skol na keleng ki district kum na mokorwan mairang nongpo bat nakani kanong ba shilong hakani ki jelang laidan langru menteri sarkar ubakmi yakatnan ki kampule puthi hakajela uba lakmen rumboi ubaralong kongsan hakani ki jelang balayo ikenten lamprang halor kani Lympung na anan pilai.
Only education is not you are not I cannot say that it is complete. No. Mental strength, how to face the everyday problem. That is very important. Nowadays, we have seen so many children, so many students, so many young boys and girls. They come from a well-to-do family, they are educated, but still, they are committing suicide. Why? Maybe they cannot cope with the whatever happened in every day. That isn't so kindly. Equip yourself, both mind and body. And the last point, which I really want to urge, this, especially this organization like 100 Academy. Now the young boys and girls, even the parents, they look upon to some organization, some agency to guide them, to guide their children, what thing they will do, what they should do, how to do. The problem is not very easy. Like the Miss Harriet or something what has said before, that the dream which they dream, it is they have fulfilled today. No. This is just a beginning. If this student or 500 students are gathering here, don't think that they are your duty is full, your dream is fulfilled. These people, they are hungry for ideas. They are hungry how to live good life. They look up to you. So this gathering, you will have a multiple problem how to guide this young mind. Don't think it is complete. They are hungry mind, hungry to find ways, hungry what type of thing they will do in their life. I may say that at least with this gathering, some sort of reputation you have established. People look at least 100-fold academy that saying yes, but to build this reputation, you have to work tirelessly. What type of organization you are tying up in other part of the country, you have to identify. Because we as the parent, a poor parent, if you tell, okay, you do this course, this has a very good prospect, this much, then we'll tell, okay, you do it. But sometime, let's hope this will not happen. Whatever institution you choose, whatever career you guide for the student, you see, you have also to tell what is the challenges. Now no industry is stable. Every industry have its own crisis. Whether construction business, whether airline business, or IT business, every business, every industry has a challenge. That's why we have seen so many companies are bankrupt. Even the financial institution also have the challenge. Don't think the picture is rosy. The country is in a transformation stage. So kindly choose your career nicely. Don't lose.
One song can spark a moment, one flower can wake the tree, one tree can start a forest, one bird can herald spring, one smile begins a friendship, one hand clasps a soul, one star can guide a ship at sea, one bird can frame the goal. One voice can speak with wisdom. One heart can know what's true. One life can make a difference. You see, it's up to you.
I'm Anand Pillai, currently the Managing Director of a company called Leadership Matters. We focus on building an entrepreneurial culture in organizations where employees take responsibility for their actions and make sure that they are productive using some of the best management practices. But the main thing is they must be disruptive in the way they do things to create a difference by leveraging their own uniqueness. My experience with Equip is it's a very well organized event. I was very delighted to see the students stay attentive and focused, and they interacted very well. The questions that I asked, they responded very well. I see a lot of energy and enthusiasm in these students, and with that I can see that they're very promising for the future. There are two big differences that I have seen in the students and in the people in Shillong from the 15 plus years ago to now. First thing is they are far more responsive, they are far more proactive, and they're taking ownership for their actions. That's the first one. The second thing is I see that their outlook on life is broadened, their horizon has broadened. Earlier I would see people very sticking to some traditional courses, traditional avenues, BA, BSc, BCom and all that. But now I see their horizon is expanded. They're getting into photography and arts and entertainment, media and so on. I see a bright hope because people are leveraging their uniqueness and their potential.
Anything else from your side, sir?
One big thing is I see a lot of promise. Seeing the excitement, I can see that the road is positive and up ahead, and all the best for Shillong and for the entire northeastern region.
Ka equip kalong ka program ka bangi se jupen long man ka snem klinik snem ki bladep hot ka kerteng kalong fun train your brain but ka career connect hani nam tau snem ni ai ka klinik kerteng equip 2018 da ka kerteng hi ka jimot kalong ba empowering qualitative uniqueness on pupils ka jing thmu jong kini ki jing kendo jing Khynnah students jing school ba pher kalong ba bangi kwa ban engage yaki students jong ka ri Meghalaya ka jongi but kini ki nongkren ki ba paunam haka perthai kini ki nongkren ni wanlam komi nongkren Anand Pillai iba jukren tang haki IITs ki IIMs bagi top business school shabar ka ri ka jongi nei bon ki sen hi ki Khynnah jongi ki myo alat than man kindo ikini ki eminent personalities nakata ka daw ka equip hi kalong ka platform banwan lam ikini ki bre ki banabar ki batbit bha ban yarap ki students community par ka jingthmu kalong kata banang ni kalong chubet usumbai ha ka jingim ka jongki ban aimen semi ki ban kintu kan pham ki ban yarap ki bakila ban yo ki baki kitmu ha ka jingim ka jongki but hadin kani ki don ki programming follow up ki pada tigidon kam no ka guidance kanunu ka jingarap ngilong ki bakloy ban council ban guide ki yakalaway ngamata ka laway ka jongki hadin kini ka equip ke jimut ka jongi ka long ba banya dang continue banya kendo ki students damar ba hangne ki da dan ki hajar ki Khynnah ngimla ban ai ka ta personalized health na ki te hadin kini pre nyale kat bala ban contact ki lene ba ki parents kan jonki dalon kanu ka jingarap mengilaban ai ban personalized ki ngilong ba kloy ngidon ka team ba council ka team ka bala ban guide ki bat kumjur ngimut ban yarap ki namar ka dai ka por ka juncture ka ba kimla ban sim kani ka rai ban let sakanu ka line lan sno ka stream ka ba ki kwa ban pursue at ka jingtip ka jongkiru kalong limited namar ba kimtip kinle kumno te ke jing tu ko jongi ru kalong ba nginyarap yaki da kita ki free career assessment bangin assess yaki bat ki da ki results ki jong ki at least banyo kata ka outline bakila ban tip ki ki courses ki we dei bha bat ka jinglong jong ki lane ka bagi orang tin phareng ta ka personality ka jong ki te ke di kata ka follow up program bangin le hadin gani ka equip 2018 Yagi Khynnah ki mamla ban poi shakani ka equip 2018 wanum do ben same phila ban wan shaka office ka jongi ha malki ka Emmanuel coaching academy bat ka 100 full academy ngilong ki bakloi ban guide ye phi haki ginunu ki bade ki Pule ki jong phi ginunu ki guidance bi counseling ba phi don kam bat phim don kam man COAA ya ka namar ba ngikwa ba ke experts ba ka team ka jongi ka don ke expertise ba ki don ke information ba ki don ngilong ki bakloi ban sam bat phi but kadi kata ka purpose ka jong kani ka program banyarap iki Khynnah samla namar ba kham bangin yo jingyarap ki snem ki baladeb tingi ngikwa ban create kata ka platform bagi Khynnah kin sngo kluit men sem ban wan ban pan jingyarap klem don kam bai se nam ta jong ka